Hey there, Stephanie here with RTB Spa. Are you curious about how body contouring works without surgery? Let me introduce you to something called cavitation, a completely non-invasive, painless way to help you slim down those stubborn areas of fat. And let me break it down for you. The overview of cavitation. Cavitation uses a low-frequency ultrasound waves to target fat cells beneath your skin. It's kind of like magic, but it's based on real science. These ultrasound waves create little bubbles in the fat tissue. And here is the cool part. As the bubbles form and grow, they eventually burst. And when they do, they cause the fat cells around them to break apart and release their contents. So, how does it work in the body? Once the fat cells are broken down, all the fatty acids and triglycerides are released into the body. Your body then does what it naturally does best. It processes and eliminates those fatty substances through the lymphatic system. This means that your body flushes out the fat over time as waste. So it's pretty neat, right? Yeah. So what to expect? So what can you expect after a cavitation treatment? Over the course of a few weeks, you'll start to notice a reduction in fat in the treated areas. It is not instant, but as your body processes that fat, you'll see the results gradually appear. Most people also notice smoother, more contoured skin in the areas like the abdomen, the thighs, the arms, and the love handles. Some clients even report a slight tightening effect on the skin. Yeah. So, who is cavitation for? This treatment is perfect for anyone who is looking to reduce those stubborn fat pockets that just won't go away. No matter how much you diet or exercise, it's especially effective on common trouble spots like the tummy, the thighs, and the love handles. And the best part, you can target areas without going under the knife. So this is not for pregnant women, women who are breastfeeding, or people who have a pacemaker. If you are on heart medication or have diabetes, I do ask that you get with a doctor's approval before coming out to see me. Cavitation cannot be done in areas where you have metal. So session frequency and benefits. Each session is quick and painless, typically lasting anywhere between 30 and 60 minutes. There's no downtime, no discomfort. Just come in, get treated, and continue with your day. Most people will need about 6 to 12 sessions for the best results, and we space those out about a week apart. Over time, you will see a visible reduction in fat, and those areas will look more sculpted and smooth. So if you're looking for a safe and effective way to reduce stubborn fat without surgery, cavitation could be your answer. It is a simple, non-invasive treatment that gives great results. Reach out to us today and learn more about it or book your first session. And let's start working towards that body contour you've always wanted. Thank you again. This is Stephanie with RTB Spa. Have a good one.